Notice that she fine now she hard.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Halima and today I'm going to be making Jamaican jerk chicken. So let's get cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. To make Jamaican jerk chicken, you're going to need pimento, Jamaican jerk seasoning, crushed chili, soy sauce, honey, lime, ginger, garlic, fresh thyme, coriander, spring onions, and of course, Scotch bonnets. Of course, you're going to need chicken.
Maria, I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria, why I make it hard to leave? Oh Maria, I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria, you're leading me on, I can take it no more. Her true self is sitting in her tears. She hiding them for so many years. But I see the woman in the mirror, the real girl I hear without the fake. Her true self is sitting in her tears. She hiding them for so many years. But I see the woman in the mirror, the real girl I hear without the fake.
Pretty girl, I see I need you. I've never loved no one but you, girl. I swear, you're my heart and you're my woman. You're my queen and I'm your king, I swear, right here. You say, what you really want? You want a bad man like Sir or the rubbish one? You got me hot, and I swear that you're the only one. I'm pretty girl, let me hold you, girl, I swear to one. I mean, the girl I know, the yummy hot and yummy girl, man, no. Oh, I'm baby, I'm the Sir, man, no. I'm baby girl, I'm the Forge, man, no. Oh, I swear, I really don't want no one but you. Just give me all my heart, I swear to you. I'll never ever be the guys you see.
So now I'm going to add the mixture into the chicken.
I promise to go down on one knee.
Add a bit of soy sauce.
I swear you will always be my queen. Promise to hold you down all we go.
Maria, I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria, why I make it hard to leave? Oh Maria, I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria.
So you're going to give it a very good rub and massage and make sure every part of the chicken is coated. It's best to marinate overnight, but clearly I'm impatient. I've been craving this for a while, so.
Her true self is hidden in her tears. She hiding them for so many years. But I see the woman in the mirror, the real girl I hear without the fake. Got a real nice smile and her deep blue eyes,
And a piercing on her lip.
She said her mother died and her father too.
When the ship got lost to sea.
She got a real long hair and a big white ass,
And the body of a queen. Body of a queen. I give you all I have to give. I say Maria. I say Maria. I say Maria. I say Maria. I say Maria.
Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.
I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria, why I make it hard to
Okay, let's roll outside it for the chicken to
Maria,
just
I swear you give it life to me. I say Maria.